take a break from running. During quarantine, I refused to gain the quarantine 15. And during one of my workouts, I was doing step-ups on a bench, and bench came back at me, and I went over the bench, and I did not successfully catch myself without injury. So here's my broken wrist, and I'm hoping to have this brace off by the time school starts in August. So I am a wife. Here is my little family up here in the corner. So Andrew teaches algebra and 8th grade math in our building and has for quite a while. And then we have Easton in the middle here, and he is our 3-year-old. He is super energetic. He is super sweet when he wants to be. We made it through the 2s. Everybody said the terrible 2s, so I thought we had made it, and we have hit 3, and I'm learning that 3 is harder than 2. And so here is Easton. The last thing I'll talk about, we are about to start our T-ball journey. It'll be the first sport that he tries, and we're really excited about that. He's super excited to start on Thursday. We're joining the team a little late in the season. They needed some players, and so he wanted to be out there on the field. And hopefully he does well, and even if he doesn't, it will be super cute nonetheless. But that's just a little bit about me.